Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a curious little fox named Finn. Finn had soft, orange fur and a mischievous twinkle in his eyes.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make stories using photos and audio generated using AI. You can use this strategy to make it stories, upload it on YouTube and start earning money. So let's get started. I'll explain you in 4 simple steps. First, we'll create a story with ChatGPT, then we'll create a voiceover using 11 Labs, then we'll create images using bluewillow, and finally we'll bring it all together with aichat. Let's get started. Step number 1. We'll ask ChatGPT to write us a story. So go to ChatGPT and enter write a kid's story. Give it a few seconds and it will write the entire story for you. You don't have to do anything. Just wait until it finishes. And let's move on to step number 2. So we are going to generate voice using 11 Labs. So go to 11 Labs. Go to Google search and search 11 Labs AI. Click on the first website. And here you can paste your story. So go back to ChatGPT and copy the story. And now go back to 11 Labs and paste it here. And let's see how it sounds.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a curious little fox named Finn. Finn had soft, orange fur and a mischievous twinkle in his eyes. He loved exploring the forest, and every day brought new adventures.
So let's download this. Click on the download button and it should download. Let's move on to step number 3. Now go to Google search and search bluewillow AI. Click on the first website and click on join the free beta. It will open the Discord application. If you haven't already, please download the Discord application and click on accept invite. Select the language, English, and skip this step. Select yes if you want to support the application. If no, just click on no and continue. Now you'll be landing in this common server. Here a lot of people will be posting their prompts. So this is like a common channel to generate images that a lot of people use. Here you can type in imagine /imagine and you write the prompt. You can go back to ChatGPT and copy the story, the first paragraph. Now go back to the Discord and paste it here. You can correct if there are any errors and hit on send. Give it a few seconds, it should generate your photo. As it is a common channel, you will be noticing there are a lot of people posting and it will be very difficult for you to post it here. So what we'll be doing is we'll be talking to the bot directly. So click on the top right, the icon on the top right, click on bluewillow bot, click on message. Here you see message. Now this is our private server and we'll be chatting to the bluewillow bot directly. So here type in the same thing, imagine prompt, and paste your story. Hit on send and it should generate the photo for you. Now as you see, you have the photo generated. It will give you 4 options. You can select any of them. So let's say you want to select the 4th one. You click on U4 and it will upscale the 4th image. Similarly, if you want to do the 3rd, you click on U3 and it will upscale the 3rd photo. As you see, the two photos are generated. Click on the three dots on the top right and click on save, and your photo will be downloaded. You can repeat the steps 2 and 3 for the remaining story. Copy the story, go to chatgpt, copy the paragraph, paste it into bluewillow and generate photos. Once you have all the photos, go to aichat application and click on photo. Now select the photo you want to modify. Select the photo and click on canvas. You'll have a lot of options. If you want to create a YouTube short, select 9:16, and if you want to create a YouTube long form video, you can select 16:9. So click on the option and adjust the frame so that it fits perfectly. Fits perfectly on the screen, and select the check mark. Now repeat the same with all your photos. For the story, save them as 16:9 for long form video and 9:16 for YouTube shorts. Now go back to aichat and select on video, and then click on new, and then select all the photos that you are going to use for your story. Now you can rearrange the photos as per your story, and click on play and see how it looks. Yeah, now let's add the voice that we had downloaded for the story. So click on music, click on music again, click on imported, then click on the voice that we downloaded. Let's see how it sounds.
Finn had soft orange fur.
Click on use and you can listen it again here.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a curious little fox named Finn. Finn had soft orange fur and
It looks
mischievous
perfect.
twinkle
Click
in
on
his
the
eyes.
check mark and you should be good. Now if you want, you can add some effects to this video. Click on effect. Now you can choose any of the effect that you want as per your need, but I personally like this celebration snow. Click on celebration, click on snow, and click on apply, and now click on this effect and click on video end, and let's play and see how it looks. Now let's listen to it all together with the voice and the effect.
In a magical forest, there lived a curious little fox named Finn. Finn had soft orange fur and a mischievous twinkle in his eyes.
Looks perfect. Now click on save, and that's the video.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a curious little fox named Finn. Finn had soft orange fur and a mischievous twinkle in his eyes.
Yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you liked the video. We'll see you next time.